You eat well, you try to stay active, you even add a protein shake here and there. But the truth is, your muscles are still shrinking. Your arms feel weaker. Your legs don't push the same way they used to when you get out of a chair. And deep down, you're wondering, is this just aging? Let me be direct with you. This isn't just aging. This is sarcopenia, and it's stealing your strength faster than you realize. But here's the part no one talks about. Even if you're eating plenty of protein and going to the gym, if you're not getting enough collagen, your muscles may never recover. Most people think of collagen as something for the skin or joints, but your muscles, they're held together by collagen. Without it, they literally fall apart. I've seen this again and again in my clinic. Seniors who are doing everything right, but their muscles stay soft, their balance worsens, and their recovery feels slower with each passing week. And here's the kicker. You can't just take any collagen supplement and expect miracles. Many powders lack the one thing your body actually needs, gelatin-rich collagen from real food sources. That's what supports the scaffolding of your muscle fibers and helps your body actually use the protein you're working so hard to eat. This is the heartbreaking part. You could be spending money, effort, and hope on something that just won't work because no one told you the full story. But today, I'm going to change that for you. You're going to learn the right way to use collagen to fight sarcopenia, strengthen your muscles, and finally feel real, lasting energy again. And I'll also reveal the 3 everyday foods that silently cancel out all your collagen efforts, foods that most people eat without thinking twice. So if you're watching this for the first time and want real science-backed answers for your health after 60, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make these videos to give you the truth that most doctors skip and to help you take your strength back. Now let's begin. Because your muscles are waiting. Most people don't realize this, but what you eat with collagen is just as important as the collagen itself. And one of the most common mistakes I see, especially among older adults trying to do the right thing, is pairing collagen-rich soups or broths with a harmless bowl of white rice. But here's the science that might shock you. White rice has a glycemic index of 73, higher than table sugar. That means it causes a sharp spike in blood sugar. And when you eat it alongside a collagen meal, this spike slams the brakes on your body's ability to absorb collagen effectively. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 200 seniors with diabetes over 8 weeks. The group that ate high glycemic foods like white rice with collagen-rich meals had 40% lower rates of muscle protein synthesis compared to those who avoided white rice entirely. The reason? When your blood sugar spikes, your muscle cells stop absorbing amino acids, the building blocks from collagen that are essential for repair and growth. And that's not the worst part. When white rice combines with the high mineral content found in collagen broths, like fish or chicken bone broth, it can lead to the formation of advanced glycation end products, or AGs. These are toxic compounds that accumulate in your muscles and joints, causing inflammation and accelerating tissue breakdown. You're not just blocking collagen, you're creating long-term damage. I once treated an 87-year-old woman who drank collagen broth daily, but always paired it with white rice. After switching to quinoa, she felt stronger and gained muscle within just 3 weeks. That's how powerful these small food decisions can be. If you're eating white rice within 2 hours of any collagen-rich meal, your body may be working against you. The collagen isn't getting where it needs to go. The muscles you're trying to heal, they're being left behind. This may sound like a harsh truth, but it's also a hopeful one because this is something you can control today. Swap out the rice, choose a better carb, and let the collagen do what it's meant to do, rebuild you from the inside out. For many seniors, it's just a simple evening ritual. A glass of wine with dinner, a little nightcap to relax before bed. It feels harmless, maybe even helpful for winding down. But here's the uncomfortable truth. When you combine alcohol with collagen-rich foods, You sabotage everything your body is trying to rebuild. Even in moderate amounts, alcohol has a powerful effect on your muscle metabolism. One glass of wine, just one, can suppress muscle protein synthesis by up to 37%. That's the very process your body uses to absorb the amino acids from collagen and use them to repair and grow muscle tissue. But what makes this worse is timing. Most collagen intake happens around meals, and many people understandably enjoy a drink with those same meals. Then they go to sleep thinking the collagen will work overnight. But here's the problem. Alcohol disrupts the deep sleep cycle where muscle regeneration is supposed to happen. Your body can't do the work it's designed to do. A clinical study tracked 150 seniors over 12 weeks. Those who consumed alcohol within 4 hours of collagen intake had significantly lower muscle growth compared to the group that stayed alcohol-free. Researchers found that alcohol blocked a key biological pathway, mTOR signaling, which muscles rely on to absorb and use collagen effectively. And that's not all. Alcohol, when mixed with the high amino acid content found in broths like chicken feet or fish skin, creates aldehydes, toxic compounds that build up in your muscle tissue. These chemicals do more than just reduce collagen absorption. They cause direct cellular damage inside your muscles, making recovery even harder. One of my patients, Robert, drank collagen broth daily, but always with whiskey. Once he stopped the alcohol, he gained 1.8 pounds of muscle and felt stronger in just 6 weeks. It's a simple fix, but a powerful one. If you're consuming collagen, avoid alcohol for at least 24 hours on recovery days. Give your muscles a fighting chance to absorb every bit of nourishment you're giving them. Because sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about removing the one small thing that's quietly undoing all your progress. There's something comforting about the smell of bacon in the morning. For many, it's a classic breakfast pairing. Crispy bacon with a warm cup of collagen-rich broth. It feels hearty, familiar, even satisfying. But behind that satisfying crunch hides one of the most dangerous combinations for your muscles after 60. Let me explain. Bacon is packed with sodium, nitrates, phosphates, and chemical preservatives. On its own, it already contributes to water retention, inflammation, and high blood pressure. But when you eat bacon alongside collagen-rich foods like fish skin or chicken feet broth, the danger multiplies. Here's the science. The high mineral content in collagen broths reacts with the nitrates in processed meats like bacon, creating nitrosamines. These are toxic compounds strongly linked to muscle degeneration and even increased cancer risk. They don't just stop collagen from working, they actively damage your muscle tissue from within. A 2020 study from Harvard Medical School followed 180 seniors with sarcopenia for 10 weeks. Those who ate processed meats like bacon with protein meals had 45% higher inflammation markers and 30% less muscle growth compared to those who ate clean proteins. The researchers found that nitrates in bacon block amino acid absorption at the cellular level, making your collagen-rich meal nearly useless. One of my patients added bacon bits to her morning fish broth. Her inflammation worsened until we swapped bacon for grilled chicken. Within weeks, her strength started coming back. The good news, this is one of the easiest fixes you can make. You don't have to give up flavor. Just swap the bacon for cleaner proteins. Plain grilled chicken, turkey, or baked fish with herbs. Give your body what it truly needs, fuel, not inflammation. Your muscles don't need processed salt bombs pretending to be breakfast. They need real nourishment. And when you remove the hidden saboteurs like bacon, collagen can finally do its job, rebuilding strength where you need it most. Now that you know what not to pair with collagen, let's shift to what actually works. 2 collagen-rich foods that I consider absolute game changers for seniors battling sarcopenia. The first is fish skin broth. Most people throw fish skin away, not realizing it contains one of the highest concentrations of marine collagen available. Just 1 cup of fish skin broth delivers 12 to 15 grams of collagen, nearly double what you'd get from traditional beef bone broth. Even better, marine collagen is absorbed 1.5 times more efficiently than other types, making it perfect for aging bodies. But the benefits don't stop there. Fish skin is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, both of which help reduce muscle inflammation and speed up recovery. Omega-3s in particular are proven to enhance protein synthesis, allowing your body to make better use of the collagen and other proteins you consume. A 6-month study in Japan tracked 120 seniors with sarcopenia. The group who drank fish skin broth daily gained an average of 3.2 pounds of muscle mass, while the control group saw almost no change. The researchers called it a natural muscle preservation therapy. And this isn't new. Traditional Chinese medicine has used fish skin broth for over 2,000 years to treat what they called muscle wasting. Today, science is finally catching up with what ancient healers already knew. The second superfood is chicken feet broth. Yes, you heard me right. Those odd-looking chicken feet are a collagen powerhouse. When simmered properly, they yield 15 to 18 grams of collagen per cup, made up mostly of type 1 and type 2 collagen, which support both muscle fiber structure and joint health. What's truly remarkable is that chicken feet broth also contains glucosamine and chondroitin, compounds usually found in expensive joint supplements. These help reduce pain and inflammation around joints, making it easier to move, exercise, and build muscle. In a South Korean study, 85 seniors drank chicken feet broth 3 times a week for 4 months. Their leg strength increased by 28%, and muscle soreness dropped by nearly half. Researchers concluded that the unique collagen profile of chicken feet broth made it more effective than most protein supplements. Now here's where things get exciting. When you combine fish skin broth with chicken feet broth, you're giving your body both marine and land-based collagen sources. Fish collagen acts fast, absorbing quickly and targeting muscle recovery. Chicken collagen works deeper, providing longer-lasting structural support. Together, they form a complete amino acid profile your muscles can't get from any single source. It's like having a 1-2 punch for your muscle health, quick recovery, and deep rebuilding, all in one daily habit. If you've been struggling to feel strong again despite eating right or even supplementing with powders, this might be the missing link. Real collagen, real food, real results, and it all starts in your own kitchen. At this point, you might be thinking, all right, I know what to avoid and I know what to eat, but how do I actually make this a habit? That's exactly what we're going to cover now. A simple, realistic daily plan to help you get the right collagen at the right time in the right way. Let's start with the foundation. How much collagen do you really need? If you're over 60 and trying to build or maintain muscle, research shows you need at least 15 grams of collagen per day, but ideally closer to 20 grams when paired with light exercise or rehab. Luckily, this is absolutely achievable through real food without powders, pills, or gimmicks. Morning is the most important time to start fueling your body. Warm up with a small cup of chicken feet broth. You can whisk in 2 eggs and cook it gently for a nourishing custard-style breakfast. It's soft, easy to digest, and packed with both protein and type 2 collagen, perfect for muscles and joints. Midday, aim for a lunch that supports digestion and collagen absorption. A vegetable soup made with fish skin broth as the base is ideal. Add in some lean chicken, carrots, and spinach. Avoid rice, of course. Instead, use quinoa or lentils as your grain base. These provide clean carbs without the blood sugar spike that blocks collagen absorption. Dinner is where you set the stage for overnight recovery. This is when your muscles heal. Sip a cup of warm chicken feet broth about 30 minutes before your main course. Think of it like priming the system. Then follow up with a clean protein and steamed vegetables. No alcohol, no bacon, no heavy carbs, just simple, honest food your body can actually use. You don't have to be perfect every day, but consistency matters. If you get in 2 cups of collagen-rich broth daily, avoid the food combinations we talked about, and pair your meals with gentle movement, walking, stretching, resistance bands. Your body will respond. And here's something most people overlook. Hydration and timing matter too. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body move collagen and nutrients through your system. And give your body at least 2 hours of collagen digestion time before bed. That's when your muscles go to work while you sleep. One of my patients recently followed this exact plan for 30 days. She wasn't lifting weights or going to the gym, just following this food rhythm, walking each morning, and avoiding alcohol. After a month, she reported more energy in her legs, easier stair climbing, and better sleep. That's what I want for you. Not a rigid diet or complicated program, just a daily rhythm that rebuilds your body quietly from the inside out. And the best part, it all starts with a warm cup of broth and a better choice at the table. You've made it to the end of this video, and that tells me something important. You're not giving up. You're not ready to let age define what your body can or can't do. And I want you to know you don't have to. You've learned today that building strength after 60 is not about more protein powders or harder workouts. It's about using collagen the right way, avoiding the foods that quietly undo your progress, and building a simple routine that supports your muscles every single day. You now know that white rice, alcohol, and bacon aren't just innocent indulgences. They can directly block your body from absorbing the very nutrients you're working so hard to get. But with a few smart swaps like quinoa instead of rice or grilled chicken instead of bacon, you open the door for real results. And the best part, the 2 most powerful collagen sources, fish skin broth and chicken feet broth, are not expensive, not complicated, and not found in a pill. They're real food, healing food. Food your muscles recognize, absorb, and use to make you stronger. I know firsthand that the journey back to strength can feel slow, but remember this, your muscles are still listening. They're still capable of rebuilding. All they need is the right message, and that message starts with what you feed them. So now I have a question for you. Which of the collagen mistakes we talked about today have you been making without realizing it? Was it the rice, the nightly glass of wine, or maybe that crispy bacon at breakfast? Drop a comment below and share your story. Your experience could be the wake-up call someone else needs. And if this video gave you hope or taught you something new, please click like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. We're building a community here, people who believe it's never too late to grow stronger, move better, and live fuller. Oh, and don't miss tomorrow's video. I'll be revealing a forgotten technique to strengthen your legs while you sleep, just by gently massaging 3 specific points for 30 seconds. No exercises, no equipment, just a powerful science-backed method to help you regain leg power naturally. But I'm only sharing it with subscribers first, so hit that button if you haven't already. Thanks for being here. Thanks for staying till the end. And remember, your strength is still waiting. Let's go get it.